Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Georgia to replace voting mechanisms in a country after unauthorized access. Washington Reuters. Georgia's Secretary of State Brett Pager said his office was replacing some election equipment in South Georgia County, where former officials allegedly allowed unauthorized access to a list of former President Donald Trump in the weeks after the 2020 election. The step comes after video surveillance footage made public recently showed outsiders accessing Coffee County voting mechanisms and copying sensitive software and data. The Washington Post has reported that forensic experts working last year for pro-Trump attorney Sidney Powell copied virtually every component of the voting system. Powell alleged vote fraud after the 2020 election, but federal and local investigations showed otherwise. To allay the fears being stoked by perennial election deniers and conspiracy theorists, were replacing Coffee County's election mechanism. Revens Perger said in a statement on Friday, adding that the probe into the former officials who allowed the unauthorized access would continue. But the current election officials in Coffee County have to move forward in with the 2022 election, and they should be able to do so without this distraction, he said. Separately in Georgia, a grand jury in the Fulton County is probing efforts by Trump to overturn the former president's 2020 election defeat. Trump has falsely claimed that rampant vote fraud caused his loss in Georgia, a battleground state where President Joe Biden's victory helped propel him to the White House. The special grand jury in Fulton County is undertaking a criminal investigation into alleged wrongdoing. Trump was recorded in a January 2021 phone call pressuring Reversanger to find enough votes to overturn his loss to Biden in the state. Trump has denied any wrongdoing. The grand jury had also subpoenaed Trump alias and members of his former legal team. Former U.S. President Donald Trump, three of his adult children, and his family company were sued on Wednesday for what New York State's Attorney General called a decade of fraudulent misstatements of the values of real estate properties to secure favorable loans and tax benefits. Here is a look at some of the numerous investigations and lawsuits that Trump faced as he considered another run for the presidency in 2024. New York Attorney General Letitia James said her office uncovered more than 200 examples of misleading assets valuation by Trump and the Trump Organization between 2011 and 2021. James accused Trump of inflation his net worth by billions of dollars to specify loan terms and get better insurance coverage. Jim is seeking to permanently bar Trump, his sons Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, and his daughter Ivanka Trump from running companies in New York State, and to prevent them and his company from buying new properties and taking out new loans in the state for 5 years. James is also seeking to have the defendants disgorge around $250 million that she described as obtained through fraud. After James announced the lawsuit, Trump in a social media post called the action another witch hunt. A lawyer for Trump called the lawsuit's claims meritless. James said her probe also uncovered evidence of criminal wrongdoing, which she referred to federal prosecutors and the Internal Revenue Service for investigation. New York criminal probe. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.